Hey Ellen, so here's a few ways to move some files around in your drive. Um, with this new button here on the left, I created a new Google Doc that I'm going to use just to demo. So I made a Google Doc. It's not in any folder right now. This is kind of how I lay out all my yoga classes. But right next to the title in my drive here, if you click out of that, you have this little icon with the folder and an arrow. You can click on that, and that will allow you to choose a folder to move this file to. So right now, the default is to your drive, so it should show any folder that you've made. But if it's a shared folder that Kathy has shared with you, you'll have to click this back arrow and click on Shared with Me. And then this should bring up a folder that hopefully looks like the one or is titled as the title of the folder that Kathy sent you. Um, In my case, I'm going to go back to my drive, and then you'll scroll to the folder that you want, double click on it. For me, I'm going to classes, and then I'll click move here when I find the correct folder that I want it to move to. Then at the top, you can see here that it will show you where it was moved to. And once you click refresh or dismiss, it should pop up and show you that it is actually in the folder that you moved it to. So now it starts with classes because that is where this document lives. Another thing that you can do, so moving forward with your homework, if you open up the file that Kathy shared with you, and then you just go to File, Make a Copy, chances are that it will actually make a copy of the document right in the same folder that it came from. So you can go ahead and rename the file here and then choose make a copy. And then you'd have an exact copy of that file. The only thing with this is that it would be accessible in the folder with whoever it is shared with. So if it's like a working document that you don't want to upload before um, anybody can have access to it before you're finished with it, then I would not make a copy that way. But that is another way that you can duplicate the document. One other way that you can upload something to Google Drive from your computer, if it's a file, say on your desktop or in your photos, is you would want to find the folder that you want to upload something to. So in this case, I have something on my desktop that I want to upload for my best friend's bachelorette party. So I opened up the Google Drive folder that I have for her, and then I'll click New and choose File Upload. And then this will upload whatever file I choose to upload into the folder that I'm currently in. So if I click on Meg's Bachelorette Itinerary, choose Open, on the bottom right, it should show an uploading window, and then it will tell you when it's complete. And now inside of this folder, I have this little itinerary that I made on Canva. So that's a way to upload something to a direct folder in your drive from your computer as well. I hope that's helpful.